Hi, very good afternoon, everyone. One of the most important and powerful benefit of eating natural plant food is the variety of colors that you get. Whenever you are eating red, yellow, green capsicum, whenever you are eating purple cabbage, you are eating broccoli, carrots, different colors have different benefits. And today I want to share with all of you one simple habit that you can easily apply in your life, which can give you enormous health benefits. And the simple habit is adding greens in your day-to-day habit. The beauty about color green in food is that green has a compound known as chlorophyll, and chlorophyll's chemical composition is the same as of your blood. All right, so which means that whenever you add more greens in your meals and in your day-to-day habits, you are getting not just chlorophyll but many other disease reversal compounds that are there in greens. So three simple leaves which I want all of you to start adding in your day-to-day meals. Number one is curry leaves. Curry leaves, or also as we known as kadi patta, is loaded in health benefits. All right, curry leaves, it is very good for joint pains. Curry leaves are loaded in calcium. Curry leaves are very good for hair fall. So many people have benefited by having 10 to 15 curry leaves before lunch and 10 to 15 curry leaves before dinner for their hair fall. So curry leaves is loaded in health benefits. So, and that is very easy. You can add in your salad, you can add in your vegetables, you can have it in juice form. So during winters and even now, you get lot of long carrots, and so you can make carrot juice. So if you're making carrot juice, you can add one green leaf. So today with carrot juice, you are adding curry leaves. Tomorrow you are adding spinach. Then you are adding pudina patta or whatever. So add green leaves in whatever way you like in your day-to-day life. So number one, which I really want all of you to start adding in your diet, in your life, is curry patta or curry leaves. Second is coriander leaves or dhania patta. Again, very simple. We all have these things in our home, but we don't know how powerful they are. Coriander leaves is excellent for cleaning your kidneys. In fact, every hour, in every hour, your kidney cleans the blood of the entire body twice. From the time you are born till the time you are dead, every hour your kidney is filtering the blood of your body twice in every 1 hour, and your kidneys are working non-stop for you just by adding few things, and coriander leaves is one of them. It really helps in cleaning the kidneys. In fact, when we get patients who have creatinine issues or kidney issues, we give them coriander leaves juice to have, and it is very good for their kidneys. So start adding coriander leaves. If you're having carrot juice, you put little coriander leaves, and so carrot plus coriander leaves juice. Or you can just sprinkle more dhania patta in your salad or over your vegetables, in your food, in whatever way. But second leaves that I want you to add as a habit, as a lifestyle, is coriander leaves. And third, very simple, is pudina patta or mint leaves. All right, now mint leaves has enormous health benefit for your gut. It is very good for your gut bacteria, and we now know that 85% of our immunity lies in the gut. So mint leaves or pudina patta is very good for digestion, very good for your gut bacteria. It keeps your body cool. It is very good for gut issues like IBS, very good for blood pressure and cholesterol. So mint leaves, again, you can either just boil and drink water. So we give this concoction to a lot of people: jeera, tulsi, pudina, ajwain, sauf. You can just boil these things and drink as your tea. All right, or you can add mint leaves in your food, in your cooking. But these three simple leaves, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and mint leaves, most of our homes will have these things, and it is very easy to procure. But if you start adding these things in your day-to-day routine, you will not know the amount of health benefits that you are getting. Now, is it difficult to add all of these things in your meal? Absolutely not. All we need to do is become aware, become conscious, basic discipline, basic habits. And when you do this on a day-to-day basis, you will start getting a lot of health benefits and your disease will start getting reversing. So I really want to thank all of you for applying these suggestions that we keep giving. Yesterday I was talking to someone and she said that she's been applying all these suggestions and her sugar levels are dropping very fast. Her knee pain is improving very fast. And I feel very nice because all you need to do is become aware, become conscious, have the right knowledge, and then apply that principle in your life as a habit, as a discipline. Because we never ever have to do diets. It is our lifestyle, it is our habits which will help us to reverse disease, create good health. Because दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है that all of us should be fit, fine and healthy in our 60s, 70s and 80s. And the only thing that will keep us fit, fine, healthy during our 60s, 70s and 80s is our habits, our lifestyle, our food, our thoughts, our emotions, all of these things. So start making them better than what they were yesterday and start adding these 3 simple leaves, coriander leaves, curry leaves and mint leaves in your day-to-day routine. Thank you so much everyone for understanding this. Keep sharing this with as many people as you can because together as a community, we should help each other become more knowledgeable and more empowered with right information. Thank you. Take care. God bless you.